How to see deleted follow request on Instagram. So if you want to see deleted follow request on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first open up Instagram application. Go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now you need to go with the account center, scroll down, go with your information and permissions, and then tap on export your information. It might ask you to log into your account, so you need to just go and log in and then tap on create export. Now go and select your Instagram, select export to device, go with the notification email. You can customize the information. Like I'll just simply go and clear all of the other options and only select followers and following and clear all of the other options. Tap on save and go with the date range. I'll go and select last month, and then the format, the media quality, and tap on start export. And it might take a few hours, and after a few hours you can come back to the same page and you will have all of the files ready to download. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.